Alright guys, so today I am going to do a quick and comprehensive video and you guys know that unfortunately this camera only goes for 5 minutes at a time. So it may cut off, but basically this is going to help you guys if you have bow legs. Now bow legs is the disease that when you put your heels together you've got this huge hole in the middle. And it used to be super bad, and it's getting a little bit better with age. But I haven't found a single video out there that helps teach you how to improve the condition, and therefore I thought I would make one here. Now, I've tried all kinds of things. One of the things you can try is to go ahead and sleep on a yoga mat instead of your regular bed. It will strengthen your body, and it will also help with bow legs. The other thing that you can do is you can wear leg weights. Leg weights help a lot. The other thing you can do is tie your legs when you sleep, like so. And I'll show you real quick. You will put something like a shirt over your knees in the knee area where these bones are, and these used to be like way out there, but they're less so now because I used to do this. I used to do this on the knee in that area, and then basically after your knees are tight, then you bring them down and you sleep this way, and it helps. Now the idea is not to be pushing with your muscles outward, but just to letting the gravity do its thing, because if you push out, then you're strengthening muscles that actually will make your legs even more bowed. So be careful doing this. This is probably why they don't recommend it as doctors, because if you do it wrong, it actually worsens the condition. Another thing you can do is change the shape of your shoe. Look at this shoe right here. I've changed it by using sandpaper, because when you have bow legs, your toes never touch the ground pretty much, and you're always on the side of your foot. You're always like this on the side of your foot instead of like this, which is the natural way. So another exercise you can do is, see if you guys can see, is to put the weight onto 1, 2, 3 toes like this, and then lift and strengthen the part of your foot that never works out. And as you can see, it also makes these get closer right there. See, if I put them like this, huge gap, but if I put them out a little bit more and I do this, you'll notice this gap shrinks right there, because now I am putting pressure and lifting, so I no longer have a flat foot, but now you're strengthening yourself in order to do all this stuff, and it really helps. So let me do that again, maybe from the side so you guys can see. The idea is to not be like this, but to have some kind of lift with the 1, 2, 3 toes, lifting the foot so there's a gap there, and then strengthening everything, because when you have bow legs, you never engage your glutes ever, which is why people who are strong but still will have cellulite. They will have cellulite because when they naturally walk, they don't walk naturally because they have bow legs, and therefore they are always stepping like this. As they walk, they will step like this naturally, which is bad. You want to be on your inside and slightly lifted and walk, which is really hard. I'm relearning how to walk just to create the muscle structure required to bring the knees together. And as I said before, if you bring yourself together like this and you lift off the ground, you start creating strength and you clench your butt muscles, you'll notice this gap shrinks, and that's how over time this bone has gone in. It used to really be out there,